Want to know how to get your hands on some of the new Filmstock packs for free? Well, keep watching. Hello everyone, Chris and Christina here with Wondershare Filmstock, and we have some very exciting news. So if you didn't already know, Filmstock has released so many new packs this month, and if you haven't checked them out yet, then you're missing out.
You really have so many choices when it comes to being creative with your videos, and with these newly released packs, you can add effects like this. And this. And this. You can follow the link in the description to see more of the new packs, and it might give you some inspiration for your next videos.
And here's the most exciting part. To celebrate the release of these new packs, Filmstock is giving you the chance to win a free month's standard subscription, so you can get even more packs for free.
All you have to do is follow the link in the description and share the video to be entered into the lucky draw.
There are many ways to share, so pick whichever one you want and you will be automatically entered. And that's not all. Even if you don't win this subscription plan, by signing up today, you may also win a coupon that can give you money off your next subscription plan.
Which is always nice. This event is only on for a limited time, so make sure you sign up today so you don't miss out on those deals.
So good luck everyone, and most importantly, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you!